my
knows where
name?
you live.
No.
Chad?
I know his name, and I did exactly what the judge told me not to do. I went down and I went home and went all the research, went down the rabbit hole, looked at all the articles.
Well, they're not going to get selected if they're listening.
Oh, Nick is gone. Damn, that took too long. He's off the line.
Oh my lord, even if he got tired of listening to your story.
No, he's back. Hold on. Nick, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay.
Sorry, we're a mess today, Nick.
Here we go, man. Welcome to the game. 10 questions, a minute on the clock. Answer them correctly within a minute, and you are going to win the money. Good luck. The game starts now.
Ready, set, go.
What state is New York City in?
New York.
True or false? A half marathon is over 20 miles.
False.
Name the president who delivered the Emancipation Proclamation.
Yes.
What is 28 divided by 4?
Yes.
What team are the 49ers playing in the NFC Championship game?
The Ravens.
Spell separate or separate.
Separate. S-E-P-A-R-T-E.
Name the singer behind the 2023 song Karma.
Taylor Swift.
What is the name of the reality show featuring Abby Lee?
Skip.
Which social media company is located at 1 Hacker Way in Menlo Park? 3. Okay.
TikTok.
No.
All right, let's run through these. New York City is in New York State. It is false. A half marathon is not over 20 miles. It's 13.1. President Abraham Lincoln delivered the Emancipation Proclamation. 28 divided by 4 is 7. The 49ers will play the Lions in the NFC Championship game this Sunday. Separate, S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Taylor Swift sings Karma. Dance Mom featured Abby Lee before she went to prison. And 1 Hacker Way, that is Meta or Facebook.
Alrighty, Nick. No money, but thanks for playing with us, man. And
No money. All right, man.
have a
Thank you,
great
guys.
week. Toodaloo, my friend.
He's like, I listened to all those stories.
All right, coming back with Sound Check. So SNL was back with a brand new episode. We're going to recap that. Plus, Justin Timberlake announced a new album, and we have the first single. We'll play it for you next. Okay, contestants, what's the easiest way to get money? Lily.
Bitcoin?
Billy.
Multi-level marketing?
Gina.
Duh, 99.7 now, $1,000 pay your bills. Don't be like Lily and Billy. Sign up and let 99.7 now pay your bills. Calling names every hour,
Every Tuesday and Thursday.
8 a.m. to 4:20 p.m.
Hear your name, make the call, get your money.
OMG, is this Linda in the city?
Sign up at 997now.com or the 99.7 Now app. Even if you played Pay Your Bills last time, you need to sign up again. So do it now.
'Tis the season to get your bills paid.
$1,000 pay your bills. Only from 99.7 Now.
Cover California is a free service from the state that's already helped millions of people like you get and pay for health insurance. With financial help to lower the cost of health coverage, you could get a quality health plan for less than $10 a month. Every plan covers preventive care, doctor visits, emergency care, and more. If you have questions, we're here to help every step of the way. Cover California, this way to health insurance. Enroll by January 31st at coveredca.com.
Go west and get future ready at West Valley College. With free tuition for district residents, free transportation, free parking, free childcare, and free healthcare, we're taking away all the barriers to getting a high-level education. So be free to focus on your future. Earn a degree, transfer to a 4-year, get a certificate, or level up your career you're already in. Enroll today and take classes online, in person, or in the evening. Spring semester begins January 27th. Register today at westvalley.edu/spring. Go West.
Get your berry fix at Whole Foods Market. Save on a pint of blueberries for $3.99 each with Prime through January 23rd. Sweeten your breakfast when blended into a smoothie or add it to hotcakes. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
This is Apple TV Plus, the streaming service from Apple. New releases every week.
award-winning movies and shows. You can watch it on all the devices you already own. Apple TV Plus, only $9.99 a month. Start streaming now.
And now a message from Puffs Plus Lotion Tissues. Ordinary tissues can leave you with a red nose, so choose Puffs Plus Lotion for all of your blows. Puffs have lotion to soothe sensitive skin, so you can wipe without wincing. It's a win-win. Puffs have cushiony thickness, which brings relief too, so the days of sore red noses are gone and through. When you're after soothing softness, a nose in need deserves Puffs indeed.
Progressive asks, what do an escaped leopard,
We're live from the zoo where a leopard has escaped.
a growling stomach, an uneaten tuna sandwich, and a backdoor doggy door have in common? They can lead to an unexpected kitchen renovation.
Yeah, hi. Is this the zoo? Your leopard is in my kitchen.
Bundle your home and auto with Progressive for great savings and round-the-clock protection.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers not available in all states or situations.
Wendy's new breakfast 2 for $3 Biggie Bundles let you create your own delicious combo. Choose from a sausage biscuit, egg and cheese biscuit, small seasoned potatoes, and a medium hot coffee. But it's obvious which combo's the best. Sausage biscuit and small seasoned potatoes. Well, maybe it's the fresh cracked egg and cheese biscuit with a medium hot coffee. Or 2 savory sausage biscuits. Whichever you pick, you can't go wrong. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's new 2 for $3 Biggie Bundles.
Limited time only. U.S. price and participation may vary. Not valid on a combo single item at regular price.
Don't miss out on limited time appliance deals during the closeout event at Lowe's. Get up to 35% off select major appliances. Plus, save an extra $100 when you spend $999 or more on all major appliances. Hurry, these deals are too good to last long. Shop in-store or online today, because Lowe's knows home improvement. Valid 1/4 through 1/24. Selection varies by location. While supplies last. See Lowe's.com for details.
Now, during Staples Print Big Sale, get $20 off your print purchase of $100 or more, $50 off your print purchase of $200 or more, and $100 off your print purchase of $300 or more. So the more you print at Staples, the more you save. To demonstrate, print at Staples, you save. But if you print at Staples, you save. See how that works? Staples Print Big Sale. Print more, save more, up to $100. Ends 2/10. Visit staples.com/print for details.
As the world keeps changing, so does COVID-19. That's why this season's COVID-19 shots have been updated, designed to help protect against recent variants. Learn more about a COVID-19 vaccine option at schedulecovidvax.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Nachos! Hey, I'll take some. And some Frank's Red Hot.
Nah.
You're just gonna eat these boring nachos with no flavor. Frank it up! Frank it up! This guy finally gets it.
It's the perfect blend of flavor and heat. Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
Big Bay Mornings.
I love them. Amazing. Bay Area, good morning. Thank you for waking up with us.
99.7 now.
I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is, but you can keep your loving on me. That's right, keep your loving on me. Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A, Rico like Suave, Young Enrique, speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She be quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb, and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how much you can be spotted around your boy. I know what to do. You can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me. I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy it is, I know what to do. You can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me. Young M-I-S-S-I-O-N-A-R-Y. He's sharp like barbed wire. She stole my heart, then she got archived. I keep it short with a Lord Farquaad. All the girls in the front row, all the girls in the barricade, all the girls have been waiting all day. Let your tongue hang out every day. If you came with a man, let go of his hand. Everybody in the suite kicking up their feet, stand up, dance. I know what to see. And all the guys guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. Young Jay, I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like still a baby. And the thing about your boy is I know it's down. But you can rip your loving on me. That's right, rip your loving on me.
Big Day Mornings. Sound check.
What you missed over the weekend. Let's start with SNL. Saturday Night Live was back with a new episode. Jacob Elordi from Euphoria and Saltburn hosted. Hey, yeah.
Very sexy.
And the musical guest was Renee Rapp, who is in the new Mean Girls, and I know her from Sex Life with College Girls.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know she was a singer.
Yeah.
She's blonde. Yeah.
She was on Watch What Happens 5 last week. She's very funny. She has a very strange sense of humor.
But there were some funny moments. We'll start with Weekend Update. Of course, they had to talk Biden and Trump and the upcoming election.
Well, guys, it's 2024, but is it? I don't know about you, but when I think of the year 2020, I never think we should run that one back. And if you're feeling confused, you're not the only one. At a rally on Thursday, President Biden said he was mixed up when he claimed he had just taken a photo with a woman who wasn't even there. Then the next day, Donald Trump repeatedly confused Nikki Haley with Nancy Pelosi. Guys, I don't know if we should do this election. It's honestly starting to feel like elder abuse. So I think the best solution is we should just tell Trump and Biden that they both won. And that we're very proud of them. And that they can rest now.
Yeah, just stick them in bed and give them some of these drugs.
And SNL did a new Alaska Airlines ad. Take a listen to this.
As you may have heard, an Alaska Airlines flight had to make an emergency landing after a cabin door broke off.
Here in Alaska, safety is our #1 concern.
But you gotta admit, look pretty cool. Plane flying around, no door.
That's why our new slogan is Alaska Airlines. You didn't die, and you got a cool story.
On other airlines, you can watch movies, but on Alaska, you're in the movie.
I was on that flight. At the time, I was terrified. But now, I'm the coolest person at the office. Everyone stopping by my cubicle all want to know about that little boy whose shirt got sucked out the plane.
So fly Alaska.
Fly Alaska.
We're the same airline where a pilot tried to turn off the engine mid-flight while on mushrooms. And now we're so proud to say that's our second worst flight.
Alaska Airlines, still better than Spirit.
They're so good.
That last statement is true.
Still better than Spirit, but
Yes.
I completely forgot it was an Alaska Airlines flight that had the pilot who tried to turn off the engines.
Yeah.
The dude from Dublin, Pleasant Hill.
Pleasant Hill. He's from the East Base, from our hometown.
Yeah.
One of many.
Right.
College Park, baby.
Speaking of SNL, Justin Timberlake will be your musical guest this weekend. Justin Timberlake announced he has a new album on the way, so he flew home to Memphis. That's where he's from. He did a show at the Orpheum, announced his new album, then put out a piece of the first single. It's called Selfish, and it's fire.
So if I get jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit of you. I guess I'm selfish. It's bad for my mental urge. I can't fight it when you're out looking like you do.
Not that you two will be surprised, but I played that 20-second clip probably 20 times yesterday.
God, what it must be like to be married to you. I mean, she must have just been so annoying. Because it's only 20 seconds. It's fine if you can play the whole song. It's just the 20-second clip.
Well, the thing is, it's on Instagram and it just loops. You know, it starts again from the beginning, so I just let it roll, baby.
You should have just come over here and played it while I'm kind of conked out. I'm dizzy. You're just kind of sitting there thinking I'm in deja vu land.
I'm thinking I'm Justin Timberlake.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey now. So yeah, Justin will be the musical guest at SNL this weekend, and Dakota Johnson will be your host. Alrighty, that is your sound check from Monday morning. Dirty on the 30 is next. Gregory, what's up in Sassy Sports?
Riders.
And now, 30 on the 30.
Headlines.
In-N-Out Burger announced yesterday that they are closing their Oakland location over safety concerns. Now, while the Oakland location is still very profitable for the company, the head of In-N-Out said that their top priority must be the safety of their customers and employees, and they cannot ask people to visit or work in an unsafe environment. They've dealt with a lot of crime at this location. Car break-ins, property damage, and multiple armed robberies. Looks like they'll close their doors in March, and current employees of that In-N-Out location can either be transferred to another In-N-Out or receive a severance package.
I would think that they would close down immediately if they got an armed robbery.
Yeah.